Have you ever wondered what your potential customer sees when they visit your website on a smartphone? If not, you should, because according to a recent report by Google at their mobile presentation in the past year, there was a 400% increase in searches done via mobile devices. This means that 1 in 5 searches on Google is now being done on a mobile device or smartphone, and the news is even more alarming for a small business owner like you. For small businesses, the rate is even lower. 1 out of every 3 searches is done by someone who wants to find a business or services provider like you in their local area. Simply stated, this means you're missing a big chunk of potential business if your website is not optimized for mobile device viewing. As if that's not bad enough, the situation becomes even more dramatic. Smartphone usage is predicted to overtake the use of desktop computers by the end of this year. It won't be long before most of your website visitors will be using either a smartphone or tablet. If your website is not smartphone friendly, you're going to miss a large chunk of potential business. This generation of newer mobile users seldom just surf the web. Instead, they want to find specific information. They want to know about your business, hours of operation, location, your phone number, and services offered. If they can't find what they're looking for quickly, they go elsewhere. That means that your competitors win and you lose. Do you know what your website looks like on a smartphone? The problem with most standard websites is that they're not designed for smartphones. The result for mobile users is the website's hard to read and navigate. Those websites take too long to load, key information is not displayed prominently, and users need to scroll back and forth and zoom in and out to read all the information. This ultimately is a big turnoff to your potential customer and should be avoided. Now let's look at another website and see how they handle their mobile visitors. The difference is huge, right? This site has a mobile-optimized version of their website that's shown to their mobile users. All the information is easily accessible right from the home screen. Customers can call you with just a click of a button, and important details such as directions and hours of operation are all easily found. The whole site is designed to automatically resize to fit all of the most popular smartphones, so users don't need to zoom in or scroll around. But one of the most important factors is the simple design, which means the site loads quickly right on the screen. This is very important for your customers on the move. So let me ask you this. If you were on a mobile device searching for information about a business, which one of these sites would you prefer to use? There is good news. When you create a mobile-optimized version, your website will be faster and easier to use. Creating this new website version is less expensive than you might think. Plus, we do all the hard work. This new mobile world of potential customers is a huge slice of the marketing pie, one you don't want to miss. Get ahead of your competitors today so they don't pass you by. Think smarter. Think mobile, smartphone, tablet today, and get ready to draw in your share of millions of potential buyers. Act smart. Contact our office today. We will assemble a sample site for you to show you how a mobile-optimized version will benefit your business and serve your customers better. You can meet this new demand right now. And don't worry, there's no obligation for this sample site service. Contact us right now and request your free sample mobile website.